Ooh, that's pretty. What's happening? We're back at the shop today. About to get back on this Grom. We got the light off so far. So basically, just a couple of plugs. Lights actually got, there's a relay, the flasher relay. Gonna take these big antlers out, put these steady garage blinkers in, put the resistors in, put the bars on. May or may not put the Renthal grips on because we got Pro Taper ones coming in anyway, so should be easy enough. Just that. Take the bars off. We got to drill a hole for the little prong. Whoever did Nicole's bike did it wrong and throttle just slides around. We'll have to put some friction tape or something on there to fix that up for whatever reason. Yeah, we got to get moving on it, and probably be about 20 or 30 minutes. Get the camera back out and show you once this is all apart. Alright, got the bars off, getting ready to put everything else back together so that they can go on. As you can see, stock bars versus the Pro Tapers. Pro Tapers are a lot wider, they're going to look a lot better. The holes that I was talking about are right here, so basically I'm going to have to re-drill these holes into this bar, which shouldn't be that difficult, just so that the controls can sit right. But we'll go ahead and drill this and check back in when we're done. Alright, so we got everything mounted up. This side's good to go. Over here, I'm going to have to basically trim this little edge off so that motocross style grips fit. Same with this inner one. But already much better than the other bars. Especially just the fit looks a lot better. But I'm gonna get to grinding and check back in after that. Okay, so despite doing this all the right way and drilling a hole, this thing still has some slack in it. So basically, I'm gonna cut this up, wrap it around where it grips, poke the hole back out. Hopefully that'll solve our issue. Alright guys, got this all torn down, relays out. There's the harness, there's the relay that's gonna replace it. Taking these two tins out. Wouldn't focus. Taking these two tins out to get these off, and then wiring up the other blinkers. Okay, here she is. Much better. I don't know if you guys actually remember what it looked like before everything, but if you watch the first video, you'll definitely see. That looks so much cleaner than that other stuff did. And then, like I said, we cut all of that hump out in there to make it flat, whereas most of the kits leave that hump and there's a little divot. Pro taper bars fit great. I just threw these on. They're cut just for looks. Maybe still a little bit wide, but I like them overall. I ended up putting sandpaper and a hole in this one and just getting rid of the divot and only sandpaper in this one because it would spin without it. The sandpaper worked better than the hole. Here's the blinkers up front. They look much better too. Also removed the reflectors that Honda puts there. So with the blinker, with the flasher, everything flashes how it should. Oh, also, I didn't get to put the shorty levers on yet. Just realized that. Gonna wait until I get the grips. Won't be riding it until then anyway. But, yep. There it is. Much better than before. I'll be getting a GoPro and doing some vlogging on the bike soon. Hook it up to the helmet, get a mic and all. So if you guys are into that type of thing, just keep a lookout because it'll be coming. Alrighty, well, we'll check back in when we get home, edit this video a little bit. But yeah, super satisfied with this. Definitely needs an exhaust now. What's up, guys? Just making it home, doing a little bit of editing on the video and stuff. I lost a little bit again. I don't know what's the deal. This memory card is kind of it's not saving everything correctly. It's not saving it in the right file format for some reason. So just bear with me while everything's getting kind of worked out. This editing stuff is all new to me. If anybody's got any tips or, you know, any suggestions for which programs are out there, I plan on using Sony Vegas. I hadn't gotten the full version yet, and the trial's not letting me send anything out that's more than a couple of minutes, which isn't going to work for this. The program I'm using's only let me export 720. I don't really have any music or an intro or anything like that yet. It will come with time. I have a buddy helping me out with a couple of things. So like I said, just bear with me. The channel will grow and get better as time goes. But thank you. Thank every one of you for watching, and look forward to seeing you next episode. Peace.